Hello everybody, this is a short tutorial on how to provide audio feedback for example, essays in Moodle without much hassle. Okay, let's go into the Moodle sandbox right here and let's pick an essay that we want to give audio feedback on. I'll pick this one here. So I see that there is one submitted essay. Let's look at the submissions. And I can see that there's a submission that I want to grade. Let's take this one here. So now, as you can see, I already did a lot of doodling here in Sandbox students essay using Annotate PDF, but now I want to upload a feedback file. So I will be able to drop this in here. Okay, so let's record something for this student. I'm going to use a software called Audacity. It's free. You can just download it. It's freeware and it's fairly easy to use. So I'm going to now record this message. Hi, dear Sandbox student. This is a very good essay. However, you need to work on your quote integration and you need to write better topic sentences which address both the focus of your body paragraphs and restate your thesis statement. Other than that, this is pretty solid. Well done. Keep up the good work. So now I have recorded this. I will now save this or export it as an MP3. So I will now save this to some folder here on my computer. And I will call it feedback for Sandbox student, and it will be an MP3. So let's save this, and there we go. Now let's go back into the course. I'm now going to go ahead and open my file. Here, I'm going to now find this feedback for Sandbox student. I'm going to drop it in here and it should upload the file unless Moodle crashes, which may very well happen. It says maximum size for new files, unlimited. Error connecting to server. Okay, let's give that another shot. And there we go. Okay, so when you get this error message, like I just got error connecting to server, just try it a couple more times. Eventually it should work. So now the file is in here. Moodle can also tell me that this is an audio file because it's using this headphone icon. I'm now going to save my changes and I will return to the essay, to the submissions, and you should see that the Sandbox student here has received my file. Here it is, feedback for Sandbox student. Right, so I can click on this and then it will download and it will
Hi dear Sandbox student,
play
this is
the
a
file
very good essay. However, you need to
in your preferred software. Okay, so this is one way of doing it. Let me show you another way of doing it. Again, I'm going to go in here and I can also, in here, I have my feedback comments. I can also drop a file in here. So I have insert Moodle media, and then I can go insert, I can go here, and then I can upload a file, and I will choose the file I just, here we go, and upload this file and insert. So now it is inserted right here into the feedback. Okay, so now if I save changes and I will go back to the sample, I go back to view all submissions, leave, and I look at the sandbox student, then the student has the audio file right in here and can play it from here.
Hi, dear Sandbox student. This is a very good essay. However, you need to work.
Okay, so this way it is embedded, because if you put audio files into these input boxes where you can format HTML and so on, then Moodle will recognize that and embed the file as a interactive audio player, like what we just have here. So those are two ways of doing it. One way takes a little longer, one way is faster, leaving it as a feedback file. That's totally up to you. Excuse me. If you leave it as a feedback file, you have the advantage of being able to upload multiple feedback files in a zip. So you can create all of your audio files together and name them after, in the file name you would put the student name, and so Moodle will then automatically be able to assign each feedback MP3 to the correct student in one go, right? So that is an option that you have when you use this. Again, you would go here, upload multiple feedback files in a zip, and as long as the student name is in the file name, you should be good to go. Okay, but you can do this too, because
Work on your quote integration.
It's much easier to do it that way. Okay, I hope this made some sense. Thank you. Have a great day.